everyone, I'm Dr. Deepika Agarwal, Senior Gynecologist, CK Birla Hospital, Gurgaon. This is part 2 of ectopic pregnancy. In part 1, I talked about कि ectopic pregnancy क्या होती है, क्या symptoms होते हैं, क्या presentations होती है और हम diagnose कैसे करते हैं. In this part, I will now mention about how do we medically or surgically manage. So there are two ways we can manage once the ectopic pregnancy is diagnosed. Clearly, these are the pregnancies which we cannot continue because they are not inside the uterus. Now, there are very clear indications to manage them medically. First of all, it is very important that please don't do Google, please don't try to read how does it managed by giving medicines. You should be strictly under supervision of your gynecologist. There are strict criteria. Medical management हम उन लोगों को advise करते हैं, for example जिनकी ectopic pregnancy जो है ट्यूब में the size is less than 35 millimeters, hormone levels of HCG ideally should be either less than 1500 or not more than 5000. Generally speaking, कोई free fluid या blood abdomen में नहीं होना चाहिए and fetal cardiac activity should not be there. Also another important sign is clinical. Pain बहुत minimal है तो it's okay, but अगर बहुत ज़्यादा pain है या abdomen press करने पे you are feeling very tender, then that is also a relative contraindication for medical treatment. How do we do medical treatment? We give it by giving an injection called as methotrexate. ये एक chemotherapeutic injection है, इसको under supervision दिया जाता है. When we give this injection, we have to call you on 4th day and 7th day to see कि आपके hormone levels धीरे धीरे fall down कर रहे हैं. The success rate of this injection is not 100%. However, if the hormone levels to start with is less than 1000 and आप बिल्कुल symptom free हैं and the yolk sac is also has not yet developed, then the success rate is somewhere around 80 to 95%. In some cases, we may end up repeating second injections, and in around 7 to 10% cases, the medical treatment will fail and we will end up doing surgical treatment. Now, what is a surgical treatment? As the name sounds, it is operative. इसमें हम operation करते हैं. Mostly we can deal it with laparoscopically. Laparoscopically कुछ लोग इसको laser surgery के नाम से भी जानते हैं, which is done with the help of a camera. So it is kind of a stitchlet surgery. We give very small incision, 1 centimeter incision and 2 5 millimeter incisions on abdomen. Either we can take out the tube, so जिस ट्यूब में ectopic pregnancy है हम उसको निकाल सकते हैं, या कभी कभी हम ट्यूब को कंजर्व भी करते हैं. इसको हम कहते हैं salpingotomy, which means कि हम सिर्फ ट्यूब पर कट करके प्रेगनेंसी को निकाल लेते हैं. What are the indications कि हम ट्यूब को पूरा कट नहीं करेंगे, उसको सेव करेंगे? Mostly indications would be कि अगर आपकी दूसरी ट्यूब अनहेल्दी है, डिजीज्ड है, या फिर आपके पास दूसरी ट्यूब है ही नहीं because of some past reasons, then we will try to salvage the tube. Otherwise, we would normally take out the tube with the ectopic pregnancy. Most common question is what is the recurrence rate? Future में what are the chances कि ectopic दोबारा हो सकती है? There is around 10% chance that in future pregnancies you may get ectopic pregnancy. So we normally advise कि जब आप pregnant हो तो please आप अपने गायनेक को बहुत ही जल्द में देखें. अगर आपने मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट लिया है मेथोट्रेक्सेट से, देन यू मस्ट नॉट फॉल प्रेग्नेंट फॉर गुड 3 months. उसके बाद ही प्रेगनेंसी प्लान करें. अगर आप सर्जिकली ऑपरेट हुए हैं तो आफ्टर 1 or 2 normal periods you can plan your pregnancy. The other question is which one is better, कि हम पूरी ट्यूब निकाल दें या ट्यूब को हम salvage कर लें, which means salpingotomy. It depends on the situation. अगर दूसरी ट्यूब healthy है, we can go for salpingectomy. आपकी pregnancy rate बहुत differ नहीं करती है, it's nearly the same, and recurrence of ectopic also remains nearly the same. I hope you will find these topics helpful, and if you have any questions to ask, you can feel free to contact me in the hospital. Thank you very much.